Glasses. For some, they're fashion. For many, they're a lifelong burden. Millions of people around the world wake up and the first thing they reach for is their spectacles. But what if I told you there are ways to protect your vision, strengthen your eyes, and in some cases even reduce your dependency on glasses, naturally? No gimmicks, no miracle cures, just real science and habits that your eyes will thank you for. Let's dive in. Let's start with the big question. Why are so many people wearing glasses today compared to 30 years ago? It's not genetics, it's lifestyle, hours of screen time, staying indoors instead of outdoors, poor diet, and bad sleep. Our eyes are like cameras. Overworking them without care is like using a camera lens 24/7 without ever cleaning it. Eventually, it wears out. But the good news? Just like you can clean and protect a camera, you can protect your eyes too. Our digital life is the #1 reason eyes are suffering. That's why eye doctors swear by the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It sounds tiny, but it gives your eye muscles a mini vacation, resets focus, and prevents long-term strain. Try it for a week. You'll feel the difference. We hit the gym for biceps, abs, legs, but we forget the small muscles in our eyes. They need exercise too. Here are 3 powerful ones. Palming. Rub your hands, make them warm, place them over your eyes. Instant relaxation. Focus. Shifting. Hold your thumb close, then switch focus to a tree far away. Repeat 10 times. Builds focus strength. Eye rolling. Gently roll eyes clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Great for flexibility. Do these 5 minutes a day. Think of it as yoga for your eyes. Here's the truth. You can't build strong eyes on junk food. Vision depends on nutrients. Carrots and sweet potatoes. Vitamin A for clear vision. Spinach, kale, broccoli, lutein and zeaxanthin protect against light damage. Salmon, tuna. Omega-3s stop dry eyes. Mango, papaya, oranges. Antioxidants that fight aging of the eyes. Add these to your diet, and you're literally feeding your eyesight. Want a powerful eye hack? Go outside. Studies show children who spend 2 hours a day outdoors have far lower chances of developing nearsightedness. Why? Because natural sunlight and looking at distant objects relax and train your eyes. So, don't just scroll on your phone. Step out, look at the horizon, let your eyes breathe. Our eyes heal when we sleep. Less sleep =sign tired, red, dry eyes =sign more dependence on glasses. 7-8 hours of quality sleep is not just good for your brain, it's therapy for your eyes. And here's a tip. Wash your eyes with cool water before bed. It reduces strain and gives you refreshing mornings. Now let's bust a few myths you've probably heard. Throw away your glasses, your eyes will fix themselves. Wrong. That only makes you squint more. Carrots alone will cure eyesight. Nope. They help, but you need a full diet. Eye exercises replace surgery overnight. No magic tricks. Improvement takes time and consistency. The truth, these natural methods won't make you Superman overnight. But they will slow down worsening, improve focus, and in some cases reduce your number, if you practice them daily. So how do you save your eyes from spectacles naturally? Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Practice daily eye yoga. Feed your eyes the right foods. Step outside and look far. Sleep well and manage stress. Do these consistently, and you won't just protect your vision, you'll build healthier habits for your entire body. Remember, spectacles are not your enemy. Ignoring your eyes is. If this video opened your eyes, literally, smash that like button, share it with a friend who's tired of glasses, and subscribe for more health hacks backed by science. And tell me in the comments, which of these habits will you start today? If this video opened your eyes, literally, smash that like button, share it with a friend who's tired of glasses, and subscribe for more health hacks backed by science. And tell me in the comments, which of these habits will you start today? Remember, spectacles are not your enemy. Ignoring your eyes is.